Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are cutting straight to the chase. How to buy games on Steam quickly and securely. Let's dive in. First, open your Steam desktop application or go to the Steam website and make sure you are logged in. At the top right of the store page, click on the search bar. Type in the exact name of the game you want to play and select it from the drop-down menu to open its store page. Scroll down just below the game's trailer and screenshots. You will see a green Add to Cart button. Click it. Steam will instantly take you to your shopping cart. Here, you are presented with two choices: purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. If you are buying this for your own library, go ahead and click purchase for myself. Now choose your payment method from the drop-down menu. You can use a credit card, PayPal, or your Steam wallet balance if you have already redeemed a gift card. Enter your billing information, check the box to agree to the Steam terms of service, and click the final purchase button, and that is it. Your new game is now sitting in your Steam library, ready to install. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next one.